Hey guys, how's it going? True here, and we are entering the Gungeon. I say it's time to go with the pilot, see what we got going on. We've played as the hunter, we've played as the convict, we've died on the second floor for both. So let's see how we do now with the pilot. We still ain't got no money to buy anything, so let's just get going. I guess we haven't really gotten lucky with the whole money situation, with the credits. Let's see what the pilot's got going for him. He's got just the one weapon. Okay. So let's go to Ammonomicon. Active items. Who needs keys? Chance to pick locks. Can only be used once per lock. I've never let the pilot down except for the many times I did. Cool. Underhanded and inefficient. Semi-automatic. If the ammo does not reveal, okay. This has been known to fire half cocked and often gets itself in more trouble than it can handle. Cool. For you, reduces prices at shop. It'll talk away in almost anything. Usually gunfights. Ammo capacity and maximum ammo counts. Oh, wow. Cayum and a few legal goods. Okay. So pilot gets more ammo. I can lockpick. Pilot seems pretty fucking good. If this pistol is good damage, we're set. The pilot seems really fucking good. Come on, there we go. Slime. I ain't got time for you, Jelly. Oh, man. This. Oh, I really want to blow it up on him. Yeah! We did cool things. And still taking a lot of hits to kill him. Man, that big armor guys are tough. Them bullet magicians. Like, I'll reload. Grenade, please. I ain't got time for you, grenade. I think the Marine starts with actual armor, which wouldn't be bad either. Ooh, okay, we got a heart. If we get hit, we have a heart. Alright, let's keep going. Definitely should try to flip that table up while I had a chance. I don't want to step in a creep, I don't think. Man, Ghost, stop Tommy gumming me. Alright, there we go. Keep going. Oh. Oh! Hexagon. Light fantastic. Okay. Let's take a look at it. Ammonomicon. Can transmogrify foes. It was created by a vengeful Gungeon after his apprentices were slain by a Gungeoneer wielding a humble bundle of wands. The stock is formed what was once his staff. HP metal was enchanted thrice before assembly. It just came swiftly and from a great distance. Cool. Neat. Whoa! It's a chicken. Are you serious? It's a chicken. Can I kill you? Yeah, I can. What? That is awesome. No! I got too excited, now I'm coughing again. We turned that thing into a chicken. Okay. If it... Okay, we gotta say that's a boss item. Because it just killed the book in one hit. Holy crap, that's a good gun. I want to use it so badly, just... I don't want to go into the too good to use syndrome. Oh god. We definitely got hit there. Yeah, it's some bullet piercing, but not a ton. Okay. We did get hit. Not happy about that, but I sort of panicked because how another grenade spawned on us. So that was my mistake. Got caught up in the moment. Alright. Want to do that. Okay. Found the shop. Let's see what Shopkeep has. What you got, Shopkeep? Oh. Ammo. Rima Mimic Friendship. Okay. Blunderbuss. Helix. That just seems fun. We'll be back, Shopkeep. We'll be back. I need some more money, though. Man, I guess so there's mimics in the game. So I might need a shoot chest from now on. Okay. That's good to know. Not a fan of mimics, but I think I'd be okay with a mimic if it means I can get an item without using a key. Oh, beautiful, we got a key. Maybe I should try a lockpick before I use a key. There we go. I enjoy the little cute sounds that purple bullet makes. They're dangerous, though. Alright, should I try the lockpick? Hey, look. Pushing the lead skin. I'm invincible. And we got armor. Cool. Okay, how do I switch actives? Temporary vulnerability. Okay. That seems great. Alright. Shift switches that. Okay. And what we got left? Let's go back here, grab the heart. Then we can come... Wow. This near closest portal is... We are at the closest portal. Holy shit. Man, the hexagon's really cool. I like that. We turned that giant thing into a chicken. I doubt it works that good on bosses, but it does really good damage too. Like, holy cow. And there's the boss. Okay. We don't really have enough for anything, so let's go fight the boss. Alright, you. Round 2, chicken. Well, not really chicken. It's a gun goal. My goal? Beat you without getting hit. Gatling gun goal. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we should be invincible. Are you serious? We got hit by that? Maybe since we didn't take heart damage? Did that count? Oh, we took heart damage. Ooh! Little bummer. Refuse to lose. Okay. That seems fun. Alright, how are we gonna do on money? I want to go to the shop. If there's anything I wanted to buy. I almost want to buy Ring of Mimic Friendship. That one's just finding out cells, unlikely allies. Okay. So let's take a look, see what that means. Alright, makes the chest safer. Not actually a ring, but rather a small creature pretending to be a ring. Emits a strange psychic tone only recognizable to mimics. Prevents them from attacking. Okay. That makes me think mimics are more common than normal chests? Alright. Well, we got a bomb gun. That seems fun. It's going down. We only got hit once, and it was honestly a little silly hit. So the fucking hexagon, so fucking good. We definitely finished it really quickly. This gun seems really cool too. Oh god. There we go. We're gonna sip the rope special for now. Oh. There we go. This gun packs a punch. Holy cow, it packs a punch. Okay. I think we opened with this gun, and then we switched to like our rogue. The explosive gun is going to take down enemy in one hit, I think. Alright, these little fucker things. Give this fucker all. There we go. Whoa! Didn't see you at first. Alright. Let's take you down. Fuck, we're missing a lot. Man, the guns can fucking take cover too? I don't like that. Oh man, the hexagon! Just bringing the pain. What we got in here, shopkeep? Ooh, is this a map? We can buy a map. It's direction. Oh my god, what's this? Ammo belt? Oh my god, there's tons of. What's this? 2 results for a muncher. Walk away slowly. A muncher? What's a muncher? Okay. Oh, I saw that coming. Twice? That's annoying. We got hit twice. Hey, we got our back from it though. Okay. Oh, come on. It's annoying. There we go. Oh, come on, stop getting hit! I am just taking bad damage now. That's like 4 bad hits in a row. Come on. Well, I won't lie, my guns are like one-shot things, so I gotta be a little careful. Alright. And the rogue special is not really doing it. I'm trying. Oh, that helps. Alright, let's just open a blow bomber. I just gotta pay more attention to how it works, I think, because... Actually, let's just go ahead and do this. Screw it, right? Alright. Amoconda, round 2. Not as much damage as I was hoping. Get away from me! I don't know why you're so close to me, Amoconda. I don't appreciate it. Alright, focus, focus, focus. Getting good damage on it. Alright, we're doing really good. We can beat it. We can beat it. Oh man, taking 2 hits like that, it's not good. We're invincible at the moment though. There we go. There we go. Amoconda went down. 2 hearts. Gladly take it. Looks... That's cool. Got some credits. Alright. Amoconda's down. Alright, let's keep clearing. This gun seems really cool. And we're full health. Oh, God. It's definitely like an SMG and the idea that's close. The spread makes it where you want to be close to people. Maximize the damage output. That was just a late roll on my part. Whoa. Appears its last bullet is something special too. Okay. That's worth noting. Alright, actually, I want to make sure I think rolling towards the enemy is more likely a safer bet. Lockpick? Yeah. The judge. Hot shot? Oh, okay. Alright, I think we're done here. Still got a few directions to go this way. Alright, let's go this way. Alright. Alright. There we go. I don't know how I feel about this judge yet. Appears like the last shot's something special. Okay. That's worth noting. I'm out of ammo for that. Not out of ammo for a little bomber though. I just jumped right off like an idiot. Oh god. Please don't let me die. Alright, there we go. We're down to like one hit. Alright. Jump clip, one size fits all. Oh, what's the jump clip though? Alright. Let's check it out. Ammonomicon. Drum clip. Increased magazine capacity for all guns. Cool. Resume. I think we went everywhere. Alright. Let's go ahead and hit up this. Oh, no, we haven't. Let's go up shot first, though. Alright. I won't mind putting 2 guns in the gun muncher, right, to be honest. Into direction. Map. Full heart, 31. We ain't got enough for the map. I would like to get the map. So, now let's go here. We're not done exploring yet. I'd really like some ammo for my hexagon, too. All frame. I'm gonna swap away. Okay. I think we're done. I don't think there's any much more we can go. We didn't find the key. So, oh, I think we did all we could. Alright. Well. No, we don't have any guns to give away. I want to keep the hexagon, to be honest. It's really fucking good against bosses. I probably should see how much ammo costs. Well, I don't think there's any ammo for me to buy. But we made it to the 3rd floor. I think this is our first time getting to the 3rd floor. Chamber 3, Black Powder Mine. Alright. Okay, I was second to see that did damage to me walk on. That is bullet hell and a half. There we go. Nice. We need the health, and we need the money. Good find. Okay. Just not my bottom messing with that. We don't have to. Let's see here. Birds, dive. Oh, God. I thought those bullets change speeds. There we go. What the hell is that then? What the hell are you? Man, I am not a fan of some of these things. Alright. Shoot. There we go. Got him. Kiati! Alright, let's keep going. Alright. Is enough. Like cannon's actually doing a lot of damage, to be honest. Oh, hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. Oh, beautiful. We got a lot of magazines increases between just being the pilot. Okay. That works. I mean, the pilot automatically gets some magazine increases. Then we got just the default. It's not the default, but literally just a named magazine increase item. Oh shit. That item hit hard. Alright, we'll come back over here. So now if I go across this mine tracks again. Freaking mine tracks. Alright. Let's keep going. Oh. Oh, it's worked like every single time. Smoke bomb, vanish. I think I'd much rather have the lockpick, to be honest. It's paid out for us way more. So let's go ahead and keep going. Oh shit, we're almost out of ammo for this time. There we go. Oh! Come on, start firing. Whoa! That's kind of weird. Ooh, a blank. We needed that. Alright. Don't want to fall into the drink if we don't have to. We're running out of ammo this second, seriously. It's like burning through ammo. There we go. Come on. Join slimes. Alright, we're out. To the judge. Whoa. Okay. Alright, come on, guys. Oh god, this is full of enemies. Alright, he's on fire. Nice, alright. Okay, that's only one direction left to go, is this way. So far so good. I mean, I feel we're winning. Alright guys, just 1 second. Alright guys, sorry about that, I'm back. Just had someone come in and had to go yell downstairs. Alright, let's keep fighting. Let's see. The judge fires really quick. And it's doing status effects? Okay. Alright. There are bullets and train cards and mine cards. I feel like I'm getting rocked right now. Oh, key. We definitely want that. If we even need it, to be honest. I mean... Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ah. Fuck off, snipers. Damn it. What the fuck's this turret thing? Ain't fucking around right now. Oh man. We got some money too, so we could buy some health. We're still alive. We're still in this. Oh. Pushing a gun. Oh, okay. Full heart, thank you very much. Let's keep going. We got our Luxon cannon back. Nice. Luxon cannon might be really good against bosses too, if I had to be honest. I mean, it gets to like a larger boss to where all my shots will hit. Oh man. I don't need the ammo. I mean, we're actually really good right now. So we'll come back for that though. There's our boss. Go this way. You could buy another half a heart. That'd be nice. Getting some guns would be good too. More guns, passive boost would be nice. Anything to give me that little bit of edge. I'm gonna go back to the judge actually. I'm liking status effects. Oh, let's keep going. This is like the best run we've had so far, by far. Thank you, pilot. And all of it is the fucking lockpick. keys were such a big deal on my runs because I was able to get all the chests. So I was missing a lot of possible upgrades, but with the pilot, I can just lockpick. And it's worked every time. Mega hand. Oh shit, do we have an X? Oh shit, we have a... Oh my god, we have a Mega Man gun. Alright, let's go visit the shop. What do you got in here? Flare gun. Can't afford it. Half heart. I buy a half heart. We went to every room. Yep. Alright, let's go here. We have an X-Buster. Yeah. What we got here? Okay. Whoa. Guns in the Deep. Cannon Balrog. Okay. That's a bad hit on my part. Okay. 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 It bounced. Let's use our old faithful. Alright, we can hit a lot. Alright, this is just me being dumb. There we go, we're doing good, we're doing good. I mean, he's almost down. We can beat him, we can beat him. Shit, this again. Shit! He right on top of me? Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Well, that's the best we've done. We had some really good guns. I'm really liking the hexagon. It was really fucking good. Man, what? That was good. That was a really good run. I'm happy about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed playing it. And I will see you guys next time. Alright? Bye-bye.